Okay, guys, so I am going to try and get a SIM. I just landed in India. I'm in Faridabad with my cousin, and so we'll try to see whether we can get a SIM. I don't know what all it takes. I'm trying, I'll go local, some Geo store or something like that. And my guide will be this guy here. He's my cousin. He's locking his door. Say hi, Anil boss. Hi,
मेरे को क्या डाल रहा है इसमें?
He's shy. He doesn't want to do. तो हम सिम लाने जा रहे हैं. मेरा कज़न ब्रदर साथ में है. से हाय बॉस.
हाय.
अनिल बॉस है. ये मेरा मासी का लड़का है. तो हम जा रहे हैं अभी जियो स्टोर. देखते हैं मिलेगा कि नहीं. क्या क्या चक्कर है इसमें होता है. चल के जा रहे हैं. पास में ही है फरीदाबाद में. ओके, लेट्स सी. हाँ जी, हम गए थे सिम कार्ड लाने मेरे लिए. मैं और मेरा कज़न ब्रदर गया था साथ में. तो उसने बोला भाई आधार कार्ड निकालो. यहाँ लोकल जो दुकान है सेल फ़ोन वाली, वो बोलता है आधार के भी नहीं देंगे. मेरे पास तो आधार है नहीं क्योंकि मैं तो इधर रहता नहीं हूँ. मेरा कज़न साथ था, उसके पास फ़ोन पे था आधार, बट वो मान नहीं रहा. बोलता है फिज़िकल चाहिए. तो इसलिए हम घर वापस आ गए हैं. तो गाड़ी लेके अब जाएंगे. मैंने सुना है कि जो कंपनी का स्टोर होता है वहाँ पर शायद फॉरेनर्स को दे देंगे विदाउट आधार कार्ड. मुझे कागज़ कुछ भरने पड़ेंगे और वट एवर. तो दैट्स द प्लान. तो अभी मैं उसके लिए तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. तो गाड़ी जैसी वो आएगी, कहीं गई है तो आएगी तो फिर निकलेंगे. एंड लोकल आई थिंक वो कुछ ओल्ड फरीदाबाद है, उधर शायद जियो का स्टोर है. एनीवे, I will keep you updated about this SIM situation. And it's going to be a good learning. सारों के लिए चाहिए SIM. So, yeah. So we are heading to the Geo store to get a SIM card. I'll try to get it from myself. And my cousin is driving the car. Came back, and so.
आपने वो नहीं दिख गया ना. You should have shown that how you pay with the QR code.
Oh no, I don't have the QR code.
But I had the QR code.
No, I'm going to get a new one, no? So when I get it, then I'll show it.
Yeah, sure.
First, let me get the SIM card, man. Who knows about it? मिलेगा भी दिख नहीं. नहीं तो मिलेगा नहीं तो प्लान भी तो है ही. तो तेरा आधार पे ले लेंगे और क्या करेंगे. तेरा से एक्सटेंशन ले लेंगे. बट we'll try to कि मेरे को मिल जाए. चलो. We went to a Jio store. They said no. Now we come to an Airtel store. वो भी बोल रहे नहीं. तो बोल रहे कोई एक स्पेशल एयरटेल स्टोर है, वहाँ जाना है, वहाँ पर मिलेगा. चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है. हंट कंटिन्यूस. द हंट कंटिन्यूस. Yeah, crazy out here, man. So they gave us a glass of water. Even my cousin is having the thing. Anil Bhaiya ji. He's filling all the glasses. It's like an oven out there. Even with the air conditioning in the car, it's like, oof. So the hunt continues for the Airtel or SIM card. Let's see what happens. Or we'll have to search for a plan B. So we went to another shop, Airtel shop, and first they said we'll do it, and then he looked at the passport and he said, oh, there's no expiry for the visa. I said, well, I have a OCI card. He said, no, there's no expiry, we can't give you. So I said, wow, that's crazy because this is a government issued card. So then he said, okay, then there's a bigger store than him, which is in sector 15 Faridabad. So now we're heading there and seeing. Well, it's a challenge. So as usual, anything in India is not easy. So challenges continue. We are hunting for this card. So even my cousin is calling Jio customer service to find out if they know what to do about the situation. So let's see if Jio helps us. Their customer care. I heard it's horrible. So I might be weak. They can prove us wrong. Yeah, he's on the phone. So I'll keep you updated what's going on. We'll head to another sector, and then I guess we give up for now. Getting a SIM card in India for a non-resident Indian OCI card holder is impossible. A foreigner can come here with a visa stamp and he can get it because he has an expiry date on it. It's unbelievable. So I don't know. The government of India should look at these type of things. So it's a struggle. Why would Indians come back if you guys are treating us? तो अभी हम घूम रहे हैं इधर, तो हम तो एयरटेल को हमने कस्टमर सर्विस को भी फ़ोन किया है.
हाँ जी.
चलो कॉल आ गया देखते हैं.
अब 15 सेक्टर जाना पड़ रहा है. इधर तो नहीं हुआ. जियो का स्टोर पे भी नहीं हमको पता था कैसे होगा.
तो एनीवे आई डोंट किसी और का कॉल है.
हमारे मार्केट में अंदर भी गए.
So now we are heading towards the main store in Faridabad for Airtel, and hopefully this thing works.
Finally,
I'm calling everybody, so it's a challenge getting a OCI card, SIM card here. So yeah, so it's a cautionary thing for somebody to probably get it in the airport. Maybe it's more expensive, it's probably more convenient. So they can see how it goes. We call the customer service, they promised to call us back. So we called the customer service for Airtel. They said, "Oh, we'll find out how to do this." So, and hopefully they call us back. You don't know. they don't know. The funny thing is that even the customer service of Airtel doesn't know so much for their customer service. So they promise they'll call us back with an answer and what to do and how to get it. Oh my God, somebody's driving crazy, man. People drive crazy here. So anyway. So we are heading to the Sector 15 Faridabad Market Airtel store. Apparently that's the main store here for OCI people. For Airtel here. So hopefully they know something there, how to do this. So yeah, we're trying. It's not easy, as everything in India. Yeah, so as the journey continues about retiring in India, so much for it. So being an overseas foreigner here is not easy. Like, you know, they put so many gates and people get trying to come back here. They don't want people to. I guess probably the government doesn't want people to come back here. Who knows? Yeah. Seem to be getting lucky here, so this guy agreed to do it, so I'll keep you updated. So we managed to get this done. So in this main store there were a couple of people. Actually the main guy, he knew how to do it, so he guided another guy to do it for us, and we got a postpaid number with it's like $4.99 per month. Yeah, that's like $7 or $6 per month. That's like ridiculously cheap. And so I don't know, we started 2.5 hours it took us to run all over the town to get this thing done. So I got a new number, so I guess congratulations. Yeah, but the weird thing is even their customer service didn't know anything. And so thanks Anil Bhaiya. So he drove me all over the place, and so he's been living with me and driving me all over the place. We've been trying to hunt down this place to get a SIM card. It was dirt cheap though. So the moral of the story is you can get it done. Probably get it. I mean, if people want to do it, probably go to a big store in your local area. They probably have somebody who knows how to do this thing. It took a couple of tries, and they had to look at my OCI card. They had to look at my visa, and OCI card and the passport actually. And we got it done. Yeah, so good, thanks.